The Palestine bag, the tote bag in Parliament has become a huge showdown. The BJP is reiterating another attack now at Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, saying that she supports terrorists. A BJP member of Parliament now says that even Pakistan likes what Priyanka does in the Parliament, flaunting these Palestine bags. India does not care much about it, but Pakistan appreciates Priyanka Gandhi Vadra consistently, and that shows the kind of support she has. Also in reference to how, remember, former Pakistan Minister Fawad Hussain Chaudhary had said, we appreciate what Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has done. That shows courage as a granddaughter of a freedom fighter. So after UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, more BJP netas are going after Priyanka Gandhi Vadra because first she flaunted this Palestine flag and then the next day for Bangladeshi Hindus and Christians.
प्रियंका वडेरा जी का स्टेप पाकिस्तान को अच्छा लगता है, भारत को नहीं। उनके जो भी कदम हैं वो पाकिस्तान को अच्छे लग रहे हैं। भारत को अच्छे लगने वाले कदम कम उठाएगी कांग्रेस। पाकिस्तान वो जो आतंक का बहुत बड़ा चारागाह बना हुआ है, आतंकवादियों को खुलेआम समर्थन दे रहे हैं वो लोग, आतंकवादियों के प्रशिक्षण चल रहे हैं जिस देश में, तो यही बताना काफ़ी है कि कांग्रेस अब भारत लिख करके नहीं घूमती है, वो फिलिस्तीन लिख के घूमेगी, आतंकवादियों का समर्थन करेगी। देश की जनता देख रही है और समय आने पे न्याय कर रही है।
नहीं, देखिए, वो तो अटल बिहारी जी भी उस टाइम पे पैलेस्टीन के जो प्रेसिडेंट रहे थे उनके साथ उनकी फ़ोटो है। तो ये इंटरनेशनल डिप्लोमेसी का मामला है। हमारा कुछ भी स्टैंड हो सकता है वर्ल्ड में जो चीज़ें चल रही हैं उस पर, और इसमें हर आदमी का अपना एक ओपिनियन होता है। तो उस हिसाब से इंडिया खुद पैलेस्टीन को वर्ल्ड फोरम पे सपोर्ट करती है, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि उनके बयान में कोई भी तुकबाजी है।
So a tote bag, which is clearly a political statement as a personal preference as well, has turned out to be a showdown in the Parliament. Amit Bharadwaj joins me for the latest. Amit, tell me why the BJP is charging so strongly at Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who in many ways is a debutant member of Parliament, and yet she's making so much noise with these political statements. Why does the BJP feel, Amit, that this is something worth charging at her for?
Pooja, you can say that BJP is preparing itself right from the beginning. The day when Priyanka Gandhi Vadra made her debut speech in the Parliament, the plank was all set, and the BJP leaders are attacking her over a tote bag. The tote bag had triggered a political war between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress Party. On one side, you have leaders such as Amit Malviya, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath criticizing the act. In fact, Yogi Adityanath saying as to how Israel is providing jobs to youth from Uttar Pradesh, and they are being paid not only good salary but also security and accommodation in Israel. But clearly, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra does not seems to be, backing down from her stance. On one day, you had a Palestine tote bag, Priyanka Gandhi carrying that bag. The next day, she was carrying Bangladesh bag. So it seems like that in the rest of the winter session, there could be a political statement being made by Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, even when she is not making one, with carrying these symbolic elements with her like this tote bag. Could she further use a bag with Manipur to raise another issue like the Congress Party has been raising in the House? So this is a very smart move possibly by Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, ensuring that her presence in the Lok Sabha is noted. But clearly leaders of the BJP,
she may be making a debut in the Parliament, but she's an experienced politician and has followed the career, of course, of the family and her mother and the sibling, and therefore perhaps realizes how even a tote bag can become a political discussion. Thank you very much for now, Amit.